Hello! You like my face? What is up, B-Hive? I am back, and today I am doing this look. I figured I was gonna do Cleopatra, and then I sort of changed my mind. I was like, I don't really have all the tools that I need to do it the way I'd like for it to come out, and I kind of wanted to do something quick and easy. It was maybe like a 5 on the easy scale. It definitely took a long time, so definitely make sure if you're gonna do something like this, you have like an hour or two to sort of play around with it. But on that note, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. You guys, I'm back. I just need to take a moment to let you know that my dumb self deleted pretty much the first half of this whole video, so I don't know whether I should cry or laugh or maybe like a mixture of both. So you're probably gonna see me, I think the first scene essentially is me with the black cracks on my face. So just as a little review, I used CoverGirl primer. It's the True Blend Base Business. I used Wet n Wild's foundation, Photo Focus foundation in Golden Beige. So to set that, I did Maybelline Fit Me in light medium. I can't remember if I said this, but I used the black eyeshadow called Abyss in the Jaclyn Hill palette, just here. And then in order to set the white, I used the, in order to set the white, kind of like right here, I use MAC Prep and Prime. So I'm gonna use some translucent powder, and then I'm gonna do red lips, my eyes, and we'll be good. I'm gonna grab a kind of like a brush like this, dip it into my transparent or translucent powder, tapping off the excess, and I'm just gonna do what I did for the black. But this one's a little tricky, so just do your best. Mexico, that can sun would turn the sun. Were high on me, wanted to vibe with me. Take me back to Mexico, that can sun would turn the sun. Were high on me, wanted to vibe with me. Take me back to Mexico, that can sun would turn the sun. Were high to vibe with me. Take me back to Mexico, that Cape Cod sun would turn the sun. You were high on me, wanted to vibe with me. Where we are, I'm gonna go ahead and attempt the lips. Bottom lips are out a little bit more.
Loving you was such a bliss. That is something I will miss. Loving you was such a bliss. That is something I will miss. How do you feel for one more kiss? Loving you was such a bliss. We're not talking anymore. It's like we're scared of trying. So different from when we started off. Now we're just like, think it's time to call it quits. Think it's time to.
Do the lips look cracked? I don't know, I can't tell. Ah! Wrong side. I like this lip color. we're gonna set that little area with translucent so it doesn't move. So it doesn't move. And then you'll see. We're gonna go back. Much better. And then I'll go back with the black. Right? Like, violet. It's so tiny you can't even tell, like, especially when you're drinking, like partying, having a good time. Nobody's gonna be like, oh my god, you messed this up. I can't look at you. Wait, where's my thingy? Oh, it's right in front of me. Okay. Okay, grab the black. And
We're not talking anymore. It's like we're scared of trying. So different from when we started.
I'm gonna stick with these. Let's see. I'm gonna do kind of like a mixture between these four. I'm gonna start with this shadow. It's called Pookie. We're gonna just do that kind of on the outer corner. Just taking a blending brush, clean one.
Think it's time to call it quits.
Firework, which is this one.
The kitchen tap is
It looks beautiful and I don't think I've ever used it.
drip. Dirty dishes in the sink. We've been laying here for weeks. We're not talking anymore. It's like we're scared of trying. So different.
I'm gonna go in with this deep purple called Chip.
It's time to call.
Ah, how fitting. Just grabbing some on the end of the brush.
It's time to call.
And some on the edge of the corners, just here, just to tie it all in together.
Sun would turn the sun, we're high on me. Wanted to vibe with me. Take me back to Mexico. That can sun would turn the sun, we're high.
I'm actually gonna go ahead and do my liner, my lashes, and my brows offline. Offline? What? What am I saying? What am I saying? Off camera, and I will be right back. All right, you guys, this is what I've got so far. I put lashes on, did my brows. But on that note, because I deleted all the footage unintentionally, of course, I think I'm gonna bring it down a little bit. Like, why not, right? Okay, so I'm actually going to grab this brush, and I'm gonna grab the black eyeshadow. And we're just gonna like add crackles here.
Back to Mexico. That can sun would turn the sun, we're high on me. Wanted to vibe with me. Take me back to Mexico. That can sun would turn the sun, we're high on me. Wanted to vibe with me. Take me back to Mexico. That can sun would turn the sun, we're high on me. Wanted to vibe with me. Take me back to Mexico. That can sun would turn the sun, we're high on me. Wanted to vibe with me. On me, wanted to vibe with me.
Okay, now I'm gonna take that white and I'm gonna take, I'm sitting on my leg and my leg's going to sleep. I'm gonna take this brush and do the same thing with the white.
Well, miss. How do you feel for one more kiss? Loving you was such
like add a little bit more dimension. Oh my gosh, I could seriously keep going. Like it's bad. This is what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you want to see more stuff from me, more Halloween tutorials. Subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that every time I make a video, you will be notified first. On that note, guys, I will see you soon. Peace.